So good day. Hope we all doing fine. We almost at the end of the week. Today is a Thursday. Tomorrow the week will be ending. I'm just here to do a recap on the pairs that I've been analyzing throughout the past days. I've been looking at Bitcoin versus the dollar itself, and also I looked at US and UK oil. So let me start off by going to see how Bitcoin played. So remember we had a massive consolidation which almost took 1 week and a half. So this consolidation raised a lot of concern to many traders, including me. Yeah, basically, me, I had two anticipations. I had an anticipation of seeing Bitcoin breaking out of this consolidation and giving us a complex pullback towards this demand before continuing to buy. But this never happened. And the second anticipation that I had was to see Bitcoin mitigating this demand area, then continuing to rally towards a new all-time high. Definitely, it happened, but what I realized when it gave us a pullback, yeah, the pullback was evident, but was stationed within this fair value area, this fair value gap. This is the fair value gap which reacted towards that price. So Bitcoin tapped this fair value gap, then it continued seeking the buy side liquidity, breaking previous swing highs, higher highs. So we saw the previous all-time high of which got taken out. So currently Bitcoin we're still on the bull run. As you could see, it's clear enough. We're still on the bull run. When I come to 15 minutes, 15 minutes, I just marked a few areas of origin where actually, yeah, I would expect Bitcoin to retract or to retrace before, in case maybe if it wants to make new all-times high, if it wants to keep pushing high, I would also expect to see areas of origin that it could mitigate before trying to continue. So currently this was the area of demand that which is reacting to price currently Bitcoin, and hopefully we're hoping to see a new all-time high now being in the process of getting made. So this is demand, and this is the previous swing high, which is a higher high. So I'm hoping to see price making a new higher high. Yes, so price moves in a wave. As you could see, Bitcoin has been pushing up. You could see break of structure, retracement, break of structure, retracement. Now is going for a new break of structure to make a new higher high. So I don't know when will I possibly see a deep retracement, a massive retracement, but I'm just waiting to see price. I have some zones which I've marked, like this zone. This is H1 zone. So I've been waiting to see how it plays out, but basically we are on the bull run and we're still going bullish. Yes, so I don't think we can retrace immediately, because now we're aiming now for this buy side. We're aiming now to run this high to make a new higher high. So that's what we're aiming for. Yeah, so maybe anything can still happen. Yeah, let me just refine my zone. There are two origins here which I'm looking at. Maybe as it breaks above, I might try to expect a deep retracement towards one of these origins before doing what? Before continuing, yeah, with its bull run. So this is what I'm waiting for, but I won't take an entry. I just want to see what might happen above this buy side area of liquidity. So US oil, I think, yeah, we are on a sell. Like last week, we looked at the formation of some significant areas of supply. Yeah. So this is Brent. We see that price, because last week was on Thursday when we saw a choke, and we were patiently waiting for price to come back to this area of supply so that we can be able to stack in more sales. So the sale is still on. As we could see, oil started dropping towards our weekly swing low, or our drawn liquidity, or the previous H4 range low. So this is what we're seeing. Oil is dipping. You could see it reacted towards our supply before actually prior. We had a choke, then we marked our area of supply. That's the area of origin, which we were waiting for to stack more sales. So we now seeing oil dipping. US oil, it has some moves like UK oil. So this is UK oil that I'm talking about. Nevertheless, we had an extreme supply above a fresh supply, and with some imbalance, of which I don't know, there is a lot of liquidity resting above. You can see, yeah, all these strings are liquidity, yeah, relative equal high, as you see, and we can see some fair value gap above. So this was also another option for oil to see that it taps that area of supply before selling. Yes, US oil did that. US oil exactly did that. US oil forcibly came into that area of imbalance. It tapped. It wanted to first clear out all this buy side liquidity. Yeah, so this was a sweep, a liquidity sweep above this supply. This was the supply actually I was waiting for, to see that I stack in more sales, but this supply had liquidity above, and we had an extreme supply, of which price was forcibly price actually forcibly went towards that area of imbalance upwards. Then it swept this kind of buy sell liquidity before selling. So this is what actually happened. So we on a sell, we're still targeting the same area of liquidity. This is our area of liquidity. This is the old low. So on weekly, I could say this is a previous weekly swing low. So this is what we're targeting. This is our draw on liquidity. Yeah. So oil, we are on a sell. As you could see now, we've shifted again. Yeah, this is our choke. You could see our choke. Then after choke, retracement. So price actually has started forming a bearish order flow towards our drawn liquidity. So this is what I had today. Have a blessed day. Thank you.